Today we are going to discuss the Protea King Pink flower. The Protea King Pink flower, a majestic delight. In the vast realm of floral beauty, the Protea King Pink stands as a true testament to nature's artistry. With its regal allure and captivating elegance, this exquisite flower has captured the hearts of enthusiasts around the world. Originating from the breathtaking landscapes of South Africa, the Protea King Pink belongs to the Protea family, renowned for its unique and striking features. Its large, bowl-shaped blooms display a mesmerizing blend of blush pink hues, delicately tinged with hints of cream and coral. The velvety petals create a magnificent contrast against the dark, leathery foliage, further enhancing its splendor. Standing tall on sturdy stems, the Protea King Pink commands attention in any arrangement or garden setting. Its robust nature and exceptional durability make it a popular choice for floral designers seeking to add a touch of sophistication and drama to their creations. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the Protea King Pink also holds symbolic significance. It is often associated with grace, dignity, and strength, evoking a sense of majesty and admiration. Whether adorning a wedding bouquet or gracing a vase as a centerpiece, the Protea King Pink flower exudes an air of grandeur and beauty that is simply unmatched. Its charismatic presence is a true testament to the wonders of nature, reminding us of the awe-inspiring diversity that flourishes in our world. The link for the Protea King Pink flower can be found in the description below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.